Hey, what's going on everyone? We have the Concepts Nike Air Max 1 release in a minute, and there's a mode called domain change in Wrath, and it works when a Shopify store redirects to a new URL. These are my settings for the one task that I'll be using. As you can see, you could select domain change in the site list. For product URL, you will be changing later, which I'll get into in a little bit, but it's a really easy setup, so let's see how this goes. I want to quickly pause it here. I want to point out that whichever size you select in this window, it will automatically override the sizes you selected in the domain change task. So for example, if I had 10 tasks for today with random sizes selected, all those tasks will be overwritten with whatever size I've selected in this window. I'm not sure if Jason and the Wrath team will update this in the future, but this is how it currently functions. Also, it's best to add to cart first and then solve the requested CAPTCHA. Okay, back to the live code. And that's pretty much it. The processing time took really long, but that's on the website. But as you just saw, Wrath makes it super easy to check out when a site changes its URL. I wanted to give a quick shout out to my sponsors and my new subscribers who recently joined. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.